Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 8 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top will be of course Pixel theme. So this is Pixel UI, Pixel Launcher. This is the standard Pixel Launcher. It's very simple. You have no great features here. You can change the icons colors, you can change the color accent, and that's it. It's all you can change. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Click open. Get started. I agree. Confirm. Continue. Validate the app. Hello. And what we have here. So here we have very beautiful interface. You can see on the left panel we have stories and news, and on the main menu we have the killer feature of this launcher is the automatically grouping features. So all applications you are downloading, they're automatically grouping in the folders in your main menu. And on the first place in my top will be Microsoft Launcher. Let's download it. Click get started, validate the app, hello, continue, skip, okay. Continue again, let's go. And cool. So what does we have here? So here we have really great features. Here we have several killer features. For example, first killer feature of this launcher is the glance panel. You can set up all your widgets, all widgets you have. You can step on this left panel, and this panel will be your explorer. So here you can have your tasks, your notes, your I don't know which widgets you have. So your calendar. You can have everything here. Of course, by default, you have here only Microsoft widgets, but you can set up your widgets here. And second clear feature of this launcher is the hidden apps feature. So here we can hide apps. Here on the main menu we have alphabetical lines, so we can fastly search for applications. We have normal search, voice search, and Bing search. Of course, Bing is built into this application. And the best feature of this launcher is the gestures. So you can open gestures, and in the gestures you can open applications. For example, you can use different launchers features. For example, two finger swipe up. I wanna open calculator by swiping with two finger up, and as you can see, it works. And you can think that it's not useful, but if you will try, you will love it, because it's really great feature. It's very great tool to improve your performance, your daily performance, because sometimes you're trying to search applications in the main menu and you see another application and thinking, okay, I need to check something here, and forgetting what are you doing in applications. But if you will bind your favorite applications by gestures, so it will boost your productivity. You just need to try it to understand. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.